Straight stuck, exactly what I thought. Straight stuck.
There's no driveway there.
No, no, right. In other words, it's got lost control, it's gone, we've got it, and now we can't get it off.
Yep, front wheels are just spinning. Fuck off! Far out!
You just go through a red light, dude. What?
I'm gonna have to kick your ass.
Look around, round, look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one fad away from being retro.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one drug away from liking techno.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one glasses a pair from dyslexia.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia.
You're only 5 yards from a fire queen. You're only 5 yards from a fire queen. You're only one download from this song's copyright. You're only one till 10.
Is that one for Scott?
Change of mind.
I think that's one for Scott.
It's silly what they did. Just go up here and do a U-turn.
Yeah.
I'm a clown.
Fucking idiot. fuck?
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck side of the road are you on? Fucking idiot.
What a bitch.
Look, it's Priscilla, Queen of the Desert. Nice hanging rope there, buddy.
Cause when I started pushing, instead of a simple gaseous dance, I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants. I don't know why I ever took that chance. Now they smell the air and
Well, what in the fuck are you waiting for, Private Pile?
Denied.
Okay, Garmin. Fucking hell.
Take these broken wings and learn to
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. What a fucking retard. Look. Fucking Jesus Christ. What?
Are you saving that one?
Save it.
Yeah.
There was so much flashing there. Stupid fucking bitch.
What a bitch.
And Cricket Australia says an Afghan-Australian test will not go ahead if there's no Afghan women's team due to the Taliban rules. In finance, the Lords has closed down 148 points, which is one.
You're a clever idiot.
$1 Australian buying.
And you know, Dominic Perrottet is now taking responsibility for this, saying, "Oh, you know, it was my decision," all the rest of it. But at the end of the
Don't
day,
worry about looking!
it was.
You're a fucking genius!
Certainly, if you're injured on the road, under the in place from 1 December 2017, all injured road users are entitled to.
Oh, you're a genius! Oh, you fucking idiot. He didn't even look. He didn't even look. Oh, that's nice. Can you show me how to do that? Driving the wrong way?
Money on the races responsibly over the
Back. Get off the fucking road, you silly animal. Look, have you...
4-2, Australia's still negative. We've got 6-2, so a big result. They must win the next two. Well, you got work to do. Get on your